What's up YouTube? JF Rides here, and today is the 24th of January 2025. It's a Friday, and I usually go to work on a Friday, but today is something special. I've taken work from home today because my friend messaged me and told me to please come to the Kawasaki showroom, and that's when I realized that today is finally the day that my friend takes delivery of his 2025 Kawasaki ZX6R. Finally, after months of waiting, months of convincing his parents, months of figuring out which bike he should pick from the options that he had, as well as planning on what parts to get after he gets the bike. The day has finally come that he is getting the bike. It was supposed to be a surprise. Like he was telling me that he didn't plan on telling anyone, just showing up one day. So as you can see, I've come all prepared to go to Kawasaki. I'm wearing green. So we got my friend Aaron Coelho over here. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, bro!
Thanks, bro.
So that's Cruz on the R15. He's on call with, I guess, Aryan, another friend, Aiden, on his Adventure 390. So we are now on our way to Hansen Kawasaki. I think it's on Western Express itself. So that's going to take us like a good 15-20 minutes to reach there. And with the amount of traffic that I can see right now, I feel like it's going to take a little bit more than that. So fingers crossed we reach on time. Coming back is going to be an extreme pain looking at the traffic on the right. So I hope Aryan's ready for that. We finally made it to Kawasaki. So the person in white is my friend Aryan. He's a pilot, and the day has finally come where he upgrades from a Triumph Speed 400 to a Kawasaki ZX6R. YouTube चैनल का नाम JF Rides है.
Yes. JF Rides. JF Rides me.
सस पढ़ो के. Peak time. Got a few Z900s. XSR? No, XSR Yamaha.
I don't know. The Versus,
No, this is
Versus, sorry, was that
I forgot the name of
Cruiser
this.
they make?
This is a Cruise. Vulcan.
What is Z900?
This is what? Lime green, na?
Yeah.
This is a 4RR.
RR. There's only 20 in India. So this is one of those 20s.
Damn. Oh, it's already registered.
These
and all.
all bikes are sold. All these bikes are mostly sold. They only order the bike in the showroom once the bike is sold.
Ah.
So they order a couple of bikes together.
What's the on road of this?
This is, I think, 12
10,
or
12?
something. 11, 12 must be.
For 4 lakhs more, you could get a 6R.
Yeah, but 4 RR, na exclusivity. So people
Haan,
who buy
point.
this bike are never people who are buying their first bike.
They're like experienced.
let's say somebody's owner 10R, now he wants like to just kind of get another bike types, you know, like one chill bike to like ride around, have fun, because it's displacement's
also.
only 4. So
What is it?
that
18,000,
Cruise's,
16,000?
uncle got now the 4RR. He had
4RR?
the Z1000, he has I think, and he had the 10R. He sold the 10R, now he got a 4R.
Damn.
Good bike. But the tires are a little smaller than the 6R obviously. Good bike, but great bike. You'll see YouTube videos of it on track now, bro. It's an absolute beast. The 4R, RR is to the exclusivity. Only 20 in India. Allocation. These guys sold 10. This
Damn,
particular
in Mumbai
showroom.
itself?
Yeah. This particular showroom. Mumbai, the people come from outside, take delivery and go back, na?
What are your thoughts on this bike?
Iron,
The problem is half the bike is very small for me.
Yes, you need a versus or something, but buying a versus make no sense,
versus,
bro.
Iron needs at least a versus to really.
He did Jogeshwari? What, he went straight?
He didn't take the exit.
I was the slowest in my ever.
The Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX. Fancy. So what all you have put now? RNG sliders.
RNG sliders, frame sliders, RNG, front fork sliders, rear arm,
Evotech.
rear swing arm slider, Evotech I put, spools I put on the bike, radiator guard RNG, tank pad, tank grips are still not installed, they're there somewhere. Photographics and easy grips that will be installed during the ceramic coating just before. And tail tidy is not fitting apparently, we get that sorted.
Tail tidy what? Evotech.
Huh?
Tail tidy what? Evotech.
Ask the one is RN5 what is that?
Yes, what are you doing with your RN5?
Yes.
Next mod what? BMC?
Not me.
BMC quick shifter? No, quick shifter already there.
quick shifter.
BMC and then quick shifter, but then I realized it already has a quick shifter.
We're quickly fixing the roads.
No, but this bike, the condition and the way is very nice. Whenever I ride this bike, I really Today I've got the visor on the arrive, the shiny
Golden one?
Yeah.
Astronaut.
Yeah.
Mr. Astronaut.
Yes.
Mr. Astronaut on his fighter
I
jet.
have the spaceship today off into outer space.
Yes, bro.
On a 129
We will be behind
PS power with ram air.
We will fly.
What RAM is?
It's got a ram air, so this bike, you see this?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's an
You got
intake.
very high speed, it pneumatically opens a valve which sends in more air into the airbox. And when
Oh.
that happens, the ram air mechanism kicks in and it produces more power. It's like what fighter jets do, there's a ram air thing, like in the SR-21 and stuff.
Just look at it, bro.
It looks
It's a
like
very
a...
sexy bike, bro. I really like the 4RR. 4RR. Yeah, side shot of it, very beautiful. And look at the fins on the side, bro. That's not in the 6R also. It's damn beautiful.
Look at these fins.
The new S1000RR has something like this.
Yeah. Winglets?
Shark.
You all don't have winglets, no?
Winglets is only.
S1000RR has a wing.
I don't know if it's integrated in the design. The new 10R has the winglets something in the bike, if I'm not.
Oh.
That's my mom. Nice. Thank you. Guys, one.
What is this? Damn.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
जरी सर
Congrats, boy.
इनका एक कंज्यूमर बिल था जो भी एसएससी के 650 4 to 5
बिलिंग बाद में होएगा मैं बिलिंग बाद में ये करूँगा
ठीक है कितना बिलिंग हाँ
We should give you one full tank for this.
रेस्ट ऑफ द
One full tank.
वन फुल टाइम these are grapes
हाँ.
इसमें क्या है
Okay. और ये टैंक पैड ग्रिप वगैरह सो ना ये ना क्रूज जस्ट पुट ऑल दिस इन योर बैग ना प्लीज एंड द स्टिकर्स आर टेक द डब्बा वी कैन ट्राई मैं तो आप
Nice guy.
Bollywood for it
Went to Jogeshwari and come back.
We forgot the road over.
I didn't think you'd make it for the delivery.
You owe him a full tank for this. You owe him a full tank.
I had a feeling he's going to make a whole vlog talk about it. So, like, let me ask you.
He owes you this.
Soon on YouTube, we'll be getting a link, guys.
Yeah.
Like my friend 6 hours.
If we reach 1 lakh views,
1 lakh, I'll also buy one. I'll buy a
Yes.
4 RR.
yeah.
I wish.
I reach some slums and all, bro.
Arey re.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I need to stand tall because the reflection in my face will be visible. But they have a 4R here.
Who's when you buy this? 4
No, RR is there. They have a 4R as well. All black. Dhruv. I found your bike. My bad. We have a 450 enduro bike as well.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations! Beauty!
Yeah, RNG slider looks good. Huh?
Definitely.
RNG. Hook slider, radiator, See, Evotech frame slide. Swing arm slide. And
Silver?
these are the these are the
Spools.
spools.
Nice, nice.
Get a Buick का double visor.
और ऊपर
Not ऊपर, big tunnel type रहता है.
अच्छा
Evo spec bike.
First start guys. Start.
Do it again, do it again. Killer, bro, killer.
Then you have road mode, which further diminishes the speed. Then rain, which puts in the traction mode. And then there is something called as rider mode. So where you can customize power. F means full and L means low. So if you want to go low
Just
power,
use these three buttons to
yeah,
get
this is your total navigator joystick.
And should we start getting concerned? Malab, is there any range in which we have to work?
Like temperature,
Malab, let's say it crosses 100
it goes
potential.
to 110. No problem.
ठीक है ना? मतलब one should not stop or
It
wait.
will warn you if there is something overheating. It will warn you.
Because Ducatis and all have a huge issue with that.
Kawasaki is one issue. Once you show the it will usually go to the RPM. Once you switch it on, the engine is already warm. It takes like 1500
ये तो cold start करके रुकने का.
हाँ वही से.
Wait until what point? 1500.
Now this is cold start is done. So it comes usually at 1000.
हाँ.
Then you can go up.
Okay. So between just 1500 to 2000 के नीचे only is when you know the cold start is okay. Now you can start
Yeah,
with
yeah.
warm up. It's warmed enough.
And then you can also switch into day and night mode.
When are you getting a 6R?
Give me money, I'll buy one.
When
I'll
is
buy
the
it.
390 coming?
Let them launch the goddamn bike.
When is the SMCR coming, bro?
I don't care about the SMC, I need the adventure.
But I care, na.
You're going to buy.
I want to test ride it.
I want to test ride it. Buy the goddamn bike. Na.
Give money, na.
Give money. I have only enough money for an adventure, not for SMC.
It'll be cheaper, bhai.
It will be cheaper, but I need.
Oh, cash. Cash. Okay. This is the place where I tested in my Speed 400 for the first time.
Oh, here only?
Yeah, and
You
Ninja
didn't go?
300 also. Here only I taken. I didn't have a helmet now,
Oh.
and I wasn't really good at riding.
Now
Let's just put it that way. So
Mr.
मैंने यहाँ पे चलाया, and then I saw like the Speed 400 a lot more than the Ninja 300 then, and then I got that, and then I was like,
have
So
to
now, if you would go back, would you
Ninja
buy the 300? Why so?
Bro, parallel twin. I underestimated the smoothness that comes with. Also, but Triumph is nice, but sports bike is sports bike. That time it was my first two-wheeler, so I didn't know what kind of a bike would I really want. So cruise like interview le raha hai. To be very careful with it in the start. It's much heavier and I'm not used to it now. Plus it's very different from my bike, so I don't know how it will be. Eventually, to my thing also eventually.
Thank you.
457 when, bro?
अरे वो देखो.
When will you buy?
Record this.
I'm not buying any bike. bro.
You're saying that
I
you
have
want to
no
buy
money.
bikes.
How much power that bike has?
Finding the neutral is gonna be.
It's hard to find it.
Yeah, now I will. Chalo, ready to leave whenever you're ready.
Let's go. Mr. Astronaut. Time to fly.
Bro, flight like in Delhi, 7 minutes.
So finally, my friend has taken delivery of the 2025 Kawasaki ZX6R in lime green. There it goes. Man, it looks so beautiful. So right now we are going to a petrol pump because the bike needs fuel. At the same time, I too need some fuel in my bike. Traffic seems to be moving now, so I hope it stays that way. Okay. Oh. Shotgun, I think. I don't know what this traffic is for over here. The handlebars on the 6R are extremely low. Like genuinely look how low they are. It's literally here. Google Map put na. Why not the airport one? Airport one. Google Maps she had put now. Ooh. Little nudge to the Zomato guy's bag. What the fuck? I thought he was on the right. When did he come to the left? Oh fuck. Tuck it inside your shoe.